Paris. Today, a month ahead of the Paris Motor Show, Lexus unveils its new RC luxury coupe. And it's the very first time that the world sees the car in the flesh, right here on Champs-Élysées. The new RC takes exciting to the next level by marrying a strong sports coupe aesthetic with pure Lexus luxury. When it comes to performance, the RC has become even sharper, yet with a more refined driving feel. Sharp yet smooth is the key thought behind the new RC. Andreas Møller, a young Danish chef based in Paris who received his first Michelin star earlier this year, shares Lexus's philosophy of innovation and combining contradicting elements in his cuisine. And today, Andreas has created a unique dish to represent his interpretation of sharp yet smooth in his kitchen at Le Copenhague. I heard you've driven the new RC already. How was that?
It's amazing to drive around in Paris to see the handling on the busy traffic and on the bumping streets. And of course, it's a very beautiful car as well.
So it was the RC that was your inspiration for the dish you made tonight. How does it reflect the RC?
First of all, I was trying to make the shapes of the car with the kohlrabi, as you can see, the round shapes, which symbolize the sharpness of the car. For me, mackerel is both a very sharp fish to look at, but a very, very smooth taste. I have put in a lot of different textures, different techniques, like I imagine the car has as well. So it's like a fermentation, a pickled, a smoked, and raw. I tried to create in my opinion, the hidden treasures about the RC, which we're gonna reveal in a moment, and after that, the smooth and the sharpness of the dish will come alive.
Thank you so much, Andreas Møller, ladies and gentlemen.